What's up, traders? 3 trades today, 1 on NVTA, 2 on TER. The first one on TER actually almost ended up being an OCX trade. If you know my past, that's not a good thing. Let's get to it. Hey traders, just a quick hump day reminder. Don't forget about the ISFP scanners. These things are awesome. Link down in the description below, up to 30% off a lifetime. All right, TERs are 54. It's what we were looking for pre-market. We're looking for just the quick pop over 54, but it gave us a lot more. Okay, she's still not done. I will look to add over 55 here. If not, we'll be looking for this to get back down under 54. So we might actually just take half and let this run. The way this is trading, it might go a little bit further. I'm going to take half there and cancel this. She's kind of struggling to get down there towards the 50 area, but I feel like if she gets down there, she's going to continue. So we're going to go ahead and just take half there. All right, so just sat back down. Here's a 54 pop. We're going to add there. I actually had a cover order in there, as you can see from my last 25 at 52.92. Totally didn't set a range order like I have been. Would have been out of this trade. Went to take care of my kid for a minute, just laid him down. Kind of went the wrong way on me there. Wasn't expecting to add back into this, but had a great average. Saw the opportunity here at the 54 area. Nice little quick move up, VWAPs there. Hopefully this will hold it down as well. And we'll look to get some more money out of this thing. All right, we're going to go ahead and add there. We're going to get 100 shares total now. So we added the 25 back on the first add, and now we're adding 50. Kind of get our average back up there a little bit. Looking for this 54.50 area to kind of hold it down. And if not, we'll be looking for high a day to kind of double top, since this is a pretty intense move up. All right, we're going to look to add 100 shares here, right near high a day. Wow, we actually got really lucky there. When I hit it, it looked like it said 60 something, and we actually got 78 because it popped right back up. It's bit us before. Okay, so actually, it didn't help us too much because now she's up over 55. So we went high a day. We're getting the 55 pop. We're actually going to look to make one final add here because this is a pretty intense move. All right, we're going to add there. We got 26. And we're just going to wait this move out. The only way we would add more here is if she gets over 56. But this is a pretty good move for this. All right, we're getting close. We're going to look to take off half of our shares as quickly as we can. We got 26, so we'll look to take those probably just at around 10, just in case she wants to try to hold 55 as support, just to reduce our size so we can recycle our shares if we have to here. So we're coming down. See if we can get that order at 55.10 filled. All right, we got those. So now we're down to 200 shares. Puts us realized in the negative, but it allows us to recycle our shares if we need to. Okay, she went right under 55. That's good. All right, we're coming down. Let's see if we can get down there to 65, 66, 68, 65. We're on the bid. I'm just going to take half there. We're going to cancel that. If we would have got filled there for the other half, I wouldn't have been upset. But, of course, right as I did that, she dumped. So we would have got 65, but we got 68 anyway. Just she stalled there. I didn't want her to pop back up, but she actually continued. We're going to look for this to get under 50 for the rest. If she wants to go right under 50 towards VWAP, we'll go ahead and take it. If not, we're going to see if we can wait these out a little bit longer. We just can't get our order hit. We're like pennies away from reading these right. All right, we're going to cancel and just take half here just to be safe. I don't want this thing to bounce right here off of VWAP. So we took half. We're going to try to ride the last 50 out. We're going to go ahead and probably just put a range order in and see what she wants to give us. So we're continuing down here. We're just going to put our order at 15 and see if we can just go ahead and get out of this thing. All right, we're coming down. If we can get under 20, we'll probably get a quick little flush. But the way, oh, okay, there we go. I was getting ready to cancel and just take it because the way it's been going, it's been doing exactly that, where it comes down to our order and then just pops up. This thing is very whippy. So we got filled there at 15, and that's a good trade for us. All right, just pulled NVTA up here. I'm actually going to try to jump in here for 100 shares. I was a little late there. Bid got under 50. Nice intense move up here from under 25 all the way up through 25.50. Ended up getting 47 here. Of course, now the bid popped back up. She wants to continue. Obviously, it'd be nice to see this go right to 26, but I don't think we're going to get that type of move. Yeah, the spread's staying pretty wide here. I'll put an order in here at 75 if she wants to take that. This thing like really stalled out. She got a lot of volume and then she just stalled out. See if we can get filled here at 75. I'd be happy with that. I don't see this thing going straight to 26. But I'm also not going to hit the bid with a 12-cent spread either. If she wants to come back under 50 here, we'll go ahead and cancel our order because at that point we wouldn't really be looking to add here. If anything, we'd probably look to get stopped out if she wants to consolidate. So we're going to go ahead and just cancel it. Part of me I jumped in this one kind of quick. I'm really not liking the way this thing's trading, so we're going to try to jump out of this one as soon as we can. Obviously still want this to try to get back down towards VWAP. That's kind of what we're looking for, but we need that 50 area to break first. All right, we're down through 50. 38. See if we can get the ass to come down. 40. 39. See if we can get down towards 30. She's right back up to 50. Definitely not liking the way this thing's trading. Come on, give us one little push here. There we go, 30 on the bid, 36, 34. See if we can get the ask under 30. There we go. Just going to take it here. So we got a quick move up here from TER again. There's a little spready there, so we hit the ask. We actually got filled and then it came down, so that's good. See if we can get a nice little move back down here towards 54.50 in case you jump back up again. Be looking for a 55 pop here. We'd be looking up towards like 55.15-ish for an add. All right, so this thing's been kind of toying with the 80 area. Just put the order in at 76. See if we can get that 80 flush, and there we go. So we got taken out. So just happy to be out of that one. I didn't really like the way that one was trading either. So go ahead and call it a day there. All right, traders, so as you can see, that was my 3 trades. The 1 on NVTA, the 2 on TER, all right off the scanner, all great plays. Very excited about today. Let TER get away from me a little bit, but if I would have just put my range order on like I was supposed to, it would have been great. Ended up okay in the long run. Ended up getting a little bit of practice on, being scared. So, and as you saw at the top of the scanners earlier, do it scared. When you do it scared, a lot of times some people would be thinking that you should be looking to cover here. But when you get a nice, big, intense move like that, the odds are you really need to go against your human psychology, because sometimes when you think you should be covering, you should be adding. So with that, questions, comments down below. Like and subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. Always appreciate that. And if you want to see me tomorrow, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.